Hey friends, it's Kivia. Thanks for coming back for another video, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, we'll be deep cleaning the front and the back porch, and we'll also be decorating the front porch. The items that I will be incorporating on the front porch, I picked up from a variety of stores. If it's anything from Amazon that I can link, I will make sure I link that in the description box below. But let's jump right into this video. As you can see, everything was covered in pollen. I definitely wanted to get all of this cleaned up before I start putting the decorations out here. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, welcome. My name is Kivia, and on this channel, I share home decor inspiration, organization tips, DIYs, and lifestyle content. If any of that interests you, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, share my channel with a friend, and also make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you never miss an upload from me. Okay, that is all I'll be doing to the front porch. I think it turned out really cute. I really wanted to brighten up the space. Of course, for the summer, I'll be making some changes as well. I also wanted to get you all's opinions on what do you suggest as far as some type of rose bush. I want something that would be able to come back every year, something that would be easy to maintain because I do not have a green thumb. So if you have any suggestions, please leave that down in the comments below for me. Okay, we're moving on to the back porch, and as you can see, it was full of pollen. We've been dealing with pollen since January, and this porch has been neglected since then. I had to remove my cushions off of here because otherwise I would have kept having to wash them and put them back out here. I didn't want to deal with that. The main objective is to get everything off of here so we can spray this down really good and put the items back on here, but I will not be decorating back here. I'm going to save that video for a summer patio makeover, so you all stay tuned for that. Okay, my friends, that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed this one. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.